Alright guys, we're gonna run this HBX 2995. We recently upgraded it to a Surpass Rocket 80 amp ESC with I'm not sure you can see in there, I'll open it later, with our Rocket 3650, I think it was. It was oh crap, what is it in there? Can you see that? 4500 kV maybe? Might be 53. Either way, I'm running it the way it is. We're running with some Urgenex 2200 Mah 3S batteries. Now we changed the pinion out too because of what we had. You lose the lights when you do these upgrades, but that's a small price to pay. Man, this thing's fast. I think I'm gonna give this one to Lauren when we do the head-to-head. Well, I'll let her pick. She really likes her pink car, but this one just handles better. I think it's partially the 3S, partially the skinnier wheels, and it's just cool. Just cool. So hopefully you guys like our track changes. Ooh. He's doing a lot of raking. Yeah, he's doing a lot of raking the past couple days and hauling and adjusting the ramps and the berms. Now a little tight and a little coggy. I think once it works the gears in, gets that mesh better, it'll be fine. Mentioned this in the other HBX run, the 903, that we're looking to get a couple cars for the channel, some ready to runners. Any of you guys got suggestions, you let me know. Looking at the Jetwoods, HBXs. I don't want another WL right now. I got a lot of WLs. So, I'd like to give other guys a shot. Like MJX maybe? I don't know. There's a couple of them. There's like I watched some fellow the other day with the 114 scale monster trucks. They're the same ones that make the Relarlos, the Jitsus or something like that. J-U-I or J-I-U-S-I. However that's pronounced in Japanese or Chinese or whatever it is. Stupid American here. Anyways, I don't know if anybody else has seen those. I'm kind of interested because they look, if that's who makes Relarlo took what was better WL, so maybe they took what was better of this thing too. Or maybe it is a WL. Who knows? Anyways, I saw some guy reviewing them the other day. I can't remember what channel it was. It's hard to keep track nowadays, guys. A lot of channels out there. Anyways, enough of me rambling. Hopefully you guys like the new track layout. Got any opinions, please let me know in the comments. Good or bad or indifferent or whatever, you know. I like advice. I'm still a noob to all this. Man, this thing, I love this car. Thank Rob or Bobby over at Bang for Your Buck. I got this from him right when the 2997s come out. He was getting rid of some of the older cars, and this is the 2995, which is pretty much the same thing, and then I upgraded it, and he already had the shocks on it, so she's running good. Now I did go up 2 sizes on my pinion with this. Mesh is real tight, but 3S pushes right through it. And I got the Surpass setup from MK1 Engineering. He was getting rid of a couple of his. And I'm a big Surpass guy. Find a deal on a Surpass, I'll take it. I'm actually looking for one for my Outcast. One of the bigger guys. I had her a King Vale. I like King Vales too. Those are about the 2 cheaper ones that I like. Now that's for brushless. For brushed, I only look for old ones. Per some advice from my buddies. Anyways, I'm zenning out. Whoa! Let's get some wall action here. stays on its feet, man. It just stays on its feet. Chicken are in the background fighting. You see that? That was 2-wheel on the wall. So I want to know what you guys think. What if I put right here where that goes up? What if I put a wall going across and then coming back down in there? So you can almost like do a wall ride. It won't be a full vertical wall, but I'm thinking I got to build a wall anyways if I'm going to be putting these jumps in. That people are going to probably fly out, but maybe something that goes up right around where it is now and then comes down right around here. Maybe a next year thing, who knows. But I want to know what you guys' thoughts are, because I should put a wall up, and then all I'd really have to do is where the wall is, you need to cut 2 transitions, and then you just on the top, you know, not on the bottom, but on the top, you just cover it with carpet. You know, you get one of them 5x7s, cut it in half, so you got 2.5 foot to ride the wall right above where it is, like that, boom, right like that. Again, I don't know. I'm just thinking out loud. I take advice, and if you go to Coughlin or Paul Coughlin, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, bud, but whatever. He's got a great, cool track, and I love what he does with the green screens in the background. I love all his track times. Crazy thing is, I didn't even know about him until Poor Boys started up again. I remembered them last year, Poor Boys, and I don't know. Anyways, I'm glad I refound you, bud. I really do dig your videos. Really do. See, like that, I gotta put a wall there. Anyways, so hopefully you guys dig, like, and subscribe, and don't judge my junk over here. We're still working on it. And with any luck, Lauren will be feeling better when we get head to head and some ramp time. I'm waiting for the ramp time for her with these new setups, because I don't want to break them. I don't want to break them without her. So anyways, I'll see you when I see you guys. Like and subscribe, and peace.